Hello friends, welcome to Grammatastic. Today I am here with a new topic. The name of the topic is conjunctions. Now what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the glue in the sentence. It works as a glue. It joins the sentences. Now let us have a look at the definition of conjunctions. Conjunctions are connecting words which join two words, sentences, or a clause. There are three types of conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Let us have a look at each and every type separately. So we start with the first conjunction, the coordinating conjunction. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. They are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Let us understand the usage. Where are these conjunctions used? As you can see on the table, the conjunctions and the usage is mentioned. For is used for a cause, and for addition, when we add something to a sentence, nor and not, but and yet are used for opposite or for a choice, and so to give results. To remember the coordinating conjunctions, it is an easy way to remember through the acronym, and the acronym is FANBOY. F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So the acronym FANBOY is an easy way to remember all the coordinating conjunctions. Let us understand it in a better way through some examples in a sentence. He remained at home for he was not invited. I have a pencil and an eraser. I do not expect you to be rude, nor do I expect to be impolite. The train derailed, but no one was hurt. Is this my book or yours? I ran fast, yet I missed the train. I was feeling hungry, so I cooked for myself. So you can see through these sentences, all the words in FANBOY are used. Moving on to the next conjunction, the subordinating conjunctions. Now, subordinating conjunctions link two different phrases or sentences. When are these conjunctions used? For making comparison. So words like than, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas are used when we make comparisons in a sentence. For denoting time, after, as soon as, until, whenever, now that. For making concessions, though, although, even though. For giving reasons, because, since, so that, in order to, as. For conditions, if, only if, unless. For place, where, wherever. For relative pronouns, who, whoever, whom, whomever, whose. For denoting manner, how, as though, as if. Relative adjectives, that, whatever, which, whichever. So all these conjunctions are used and they come under the category of subordinating conjunctions. Let us understand it in better way through some sentences. But before the sentences, we can also have a quick look on the acronym of the subordinating conjunctions. As you can see, the acronym is on a white bus. It is easy for us to remember through acronyms. So for the coordinating conjunctions, the acronym is FANBOY. And for the subordinating conjunction, the acronym is on a white bus. So all the words related to on a white bus is given on the screen, as you can see. Now some sentences. I can stay out until the clock strikes 12. I drank a glass of water because I was thirsty. Even though you exercise every day, you should eat healthy. She admitted her fault before she was punished. Although I know the answer, I want to assure again. I met my favorite player when I was in London. I could not complete my task since I was unwell. Moving to the third and the last conjunction, the correlative conjunctions. Now, correlative conjunctions include pair and work together. They are always used in pairs. As you can see, the example, she would rather play drums than sing. So here, rather and than are used together in pairs. So both are correlative conjunctions. Some more correlative conjunctions. They are the pairs of correlative conjunctions. The first pair is rather than. The second is neither nor. Not only, but also. Or either. Or whether. As so. So that. Both and. So or either can be used as either or also. These are always used in pairs. Now some sentences. She can speak either English or Spanish. I went neither to the movie nor zoo. He not only came to meet me, but also brought a gift for me. She is both pretty and intelligent. I would rather cook than go to a restaurant. I met my favorite player when I was in London. You must complete the task, whether you like it or not. Please send me your address so that I can go to your place. Her story is not so boring as her brother's. So all the highlighted words are denoting the correlative conjunction. Just a quick recap. So there are three types of conjunctions: subordinating conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. The best way to remember the coordinating and the subordinating conjunctions are to remember through the acronym Fanboy and on a white bus. So keep practicing. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Meet you soon with a new topic. Thank you.